Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, look at the date on my computer. It is not 2020 anymore. It is 2021 currently. I'm not looking that forward to go back to school, but 2020 wasn't that good of a year, as most of you know, because coronavirus basically just took over the world. The pandemic was horrible. And I'm sure no one liked it, because who would like a pandemic? I mean, just stay at home all the time. I was able to upload more videos during that time, but today I'm making another YouTube video. This is the first time I've uploaded, well, the second time I've uploaded in a while, so I did a video like this about 2 years ago, and yeah, it was for 2019. Little did I know, the following year after that was going to be one of the worst years I've ever experienced. Probably the worst. So, this video was made 2 years ago. This is January 1st, 2019, and yeah, it was a very cringe video. I don't even know why I made it. I was literally inside of McDonald's. Now, I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to start literally screaming at the camera inside of McDonald's. Yeah, it was very stupid, but, even though 2020 has been such a bad year for so many people, there have been many good things that have happened in it. I'm so blessed to have over 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube video. It may not be actual, good content, but it's just, a YouTuber hitting 1 million subscribers, and a lot of people watched it, so I'm just happy about that and thankful. And I hope that by the end of February, we will have at least 100 subscribers. Hopefully we can do it. Hopefully my channel's just not dead now, because I just haven't uploaded in a while. Because I've had a lot of stuff going on with the pandemic and stuff. So it's been tough for me to upload. So I promise I will start uploading again. Maybe some gaming videos. Let me know down in the comments what you want me to upload, because I'm looking for suggestions. So thank you guys, and I hope you have an amazing year.